This house has belonged to the same family for 3 generations. However, to accommodate the new residents, a young couple and their dog, the house needed significant changes. The renovation aimed to transform the previously cramped, low-lit spaces with low ceilings into a home suited for a modern lifestyle, open, spacious, and bright. After the old structure was demolished, only the solid brick masonry walls were preserved for their structural function. On the 4 by 24 meter urban plot, Estúdio BRA introduced a new layout, dividing the house into 3 main levels: the ground floor, upper floor, and a roof garden. Pirajá House, a renovation project by Estúdio BRA Arquitetura located in Pinheiros, São Paulo, Brazil. Let's start with the ground floor. Upon arriving at the house, you're greeted by lush landscaping featuring native plants from the Atlantic forest, creating a charming and inviting entrance. Access to the house is via a pivoting door and a sliding frame that, when fully opened, extends the social area seamlessly to the outside. Inside, we find a well-organized kitchen centered around a dining table placed next to a marble kitchen island. One side serves as a cooking area, while the other allows easy circulation to the living room. The kitchen is furnished with custom carpentry, hydraulic tile flooring, and a stone countertop. The combined kitchen and dining space measures 3.60 by 5.15 meters. In the living room, the structural design becomes a key feature. Cylindrical metal pillars, metal beams, exposed panel slabs, and solid brick walls give the space a bold industrial character. A sleek metal shelf, designed by the architects, adds a modern, functional touch to the space. Now let's move to the central garden. Located between the living room and the barbecue area, this garden is home to a mature jabuticaba tree transplanted during the final stages of construction. This tree not only contributes to the thermal comfort of the house, but also offers fresh fruit to the residents. Towards the rear of the lot, the barbecue area and restroom are tucked beneath a concrete slab, which serves as a roof for medium-sized fruit trees. The upper floor is designed for privacy. Accessible via a metal staircase with a mixed structure, the upper level is divided into 2 main suites. The metal staircase continues up to the roof with access through an automated hatch. On the roof, an innovative raised floor accommodates infrastructure, making room for a lawn, a garden, and a vegetable patch, all at the same level as the wooden deck. This rooftop oasis is perfect for relaxation. Additionally, the laundry and utility equipment are neatly concealed in a volume with perforated metal doors, which can be opened or closed as needed. Overall, Pirajá House is a great example of how a traditional home can be adapted for contemporary living without losing its original charm. With its open-plan design, seamless indoor-outdoor integration, and use of natural materials, this house provides comfort while showcasing creative solutions for a narrow urban plot. Are you looking for inspiration for your own renovation? This project offers excellent ideas on creating an open, welcoming space that embraces natural elements. That's the full tour of Pirajá House. We hope this design inspires you and gives you fresh ideas for your dream home. Don't forget to subscribe to Block 7 for more house tours. See you in the next video.